Hackers don't always look like creepy, dark figures wearing hoodies and bashing away at lines of code. Most of the time, they look like you. Or me. But this time, you got lucky. I'm a white hat. Companies like HP hire people like us to hunt down vulnerabilities and eliminate them before they become a threat. My specialty? Infiltrating businesses, infecting their networks, getting into systems in ways that no one would expect. You see this little chip? Most office print cartridges have one. The difference is these third-party cartridge chips have a weakness. They're reprogrammable, not secure, and exactly the kind of in that I look for. Very few people realize inserting one of these into a printer is exactly the same as inserting an unknown USB drive into a PC. I inject a few lines of code here, a little malware there, and voila. Before you know it, I have access and control of your printer, your classified documents, your whole network. Big consequences from such a tiny chip. Now, this original HP cartridge, it's got a unique tamper-resistant microchip with smart card technology and security-hardened firmware. So no matter how hard I try to get in, it is protected against modification to its code. It's like a barricade, shielding you from an attack from people like me. And believe me, I've tried. Look, your security is only as strong as your weakest link, and I'll find it. What? Sometimes my ears get cold.